number 6, that goddamn credit, get it. You think a crackhead paying you back, shit, forget it.
If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Yes, let me warming up. Alright, gotta do that shit again. YouTube, what's good? It's your boy Wavy. You already know this is my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach, Coda here. If you're new to the channel, you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, hit that subscribe button, like, comment, all the above. Yo, just be hawking on them parking spots, boy. Yo, it's cold out here today. See my hot ass breath. But anyway, yo, I hit on them damn off-whites.
You lucky. And you know this, man?
Yeah, I mean, no. And shout out to everybody that's been hitting me up about that the sneaker sale, the gear sale, you know. Especially shout out to everybody that's been hitting me up on the you know, ready to cop, you know what I'm saying? Because while the mother cats asking the question like, do you still have this y'all niggas is copping, you know what I'm saying? So the shit gone.
Sorry.
Yeah, man, so shit. Knocking these joints out. That's what's up. I appreciate y'all though. Word up. About to hit my least favorite place, the
They go that Earl nigga.
post office, and ship these joints out. Hopefully I can what's going on, bro, because I'm about to take a turn. Hopefully I get there before it closes. But anyway, yo, let me get up out of here before they honk me and get tight. follow me out. All right, so what I usually do before I go up in here, I check to see how many people up in here, so I don't underpay or overpay at the meter, because I'm cheap. But knowing this spot, I know this spot. Oh, 2 o'clock. Oh, it's straight. Oh, no. I'll do 30 minutes. Alright, so I'm out of there. Yo, it was damn. I thought I was gonna be like in and out like mad quick, but the lady, she seen my boxes and shit, and she was like, "Oh, you got covered them shit, that joint up," like, cause it had like Amazon and all these other places on it. She like, "It's not going back to that company." Some new shit that if I would have shipped at my at my job, it'd have been all good. But anyway, so I started taping over this shit. My bad, y'all. Whoever getting my joints in like this week and you see extra like white bullshit, my bad. But finally she was just like, "All right, you know what?" She was like, "Just cause you came in last minute, but you always do this." So I was like, "Nah." She was like, "Yeah, you do." But yeah, so she let me slide, so I'm good. But yeah, man, salute to everybody, man. Back before I get into the whole off-white joint, man, let me see any funny stories from my joint. Oh, I got one. You'll just have to see the people. I ain't gonna really put the name out. But so I think the funniest one was this cat was like, "Yo, no cap, I cop almost all of them." You know what I'm saying? I'm in the BX, you know, bring them to me, you know what I'm saying? So the word almost means, you know, nah, you know, that's a red flag. And number one, how I would do is still, if you copping almost all, PayPal first, and whatever I bring to you, just like it was some other cat was like, "Yo, meet me in the Bronx." Okay, PayPal first, just so it doesn't turn into ain't a game I play when I'm selling sneaks. You know what I'm saying? Ain't none of that, you know?
Money talks. Bullshit runs the marathon.
One of Spooky's homeboys got me like that. Well, he didn't. He almost said, he like, "Yeah, just bring all of them." You know what I'm saying? Like,
I'd like, let's see.
you know what I'm saying? Like, you be spending $10 for the night. Like, I need to bring up, nah. It reminded me one time, me and my homeboy, I forgot what we had bought, but
Right.
yeah, he was it was some cat that like just came into the picture or whatever. And dude was like, oh, he wanted all of them, like he wanted my homeboy to give him what he had bought, and you know, then he was gonna pay him back later. So I remember my homeboy woke up like mad early, hype, that old boy was gonna, you know, take it off his hands.
Ho, ho, ho. Merry Christmas.
I remember, I was like, shit, you know. So I remember old boy gonna hit me. He was like, "Yeah, man." He was like, "Yo, you too, bro." Yo, I need it all. I was like, cool. I was like, this the price, you know what I'm saying? Like,
money,
take it. So he didn't want it from me, but he paused. But so my homeboy. So then he ended up, he was like, "Oh man, you know what I'm saying? Whatever my homeboy gave him, he gave his homeboy, and his homeboy." Basically, my homeboy got gaffled. That was it.
I seen it coming.
Dude wasn't even from around the way, and my man was like, because at the time he had like a jersey. It didn't equate up to by far, but my man was like, "Well, you know, I got the jersey still. I got, you know, because usually me, if I take a loss and I got something else, somebody's like, they ain't getting it back. You know what I'm saying? Like, whatever, like, you know." Hey, I remember when dude came to leave, he came straight to the crib. He like, hey, let me get that. You know what I'm saying?
Boy, you want to hit on that body, you best hop too.
My man gave it up. He gave it up, no problem. I was like, damn. You went out like a sucker. I remember homeboy tried to tell me like about months later. He was like, yeah, man, damn, it was fucked up because my homeboy had, nah, fuck that. That shit's on you. Nah, but yo, I was very happy about this damn,
Earl, leave that nigga alone.
sneaker sale though. But man, what I'm more happy and you know, befuddled about is how I'm hitting on the sneakers. I ain't complaining, but yo, like that what's up. Finally got me an off-white too. The fives, you know, I ain't want them. You know what I'm saying? But I'm not selling them. I ain't reselling. I ain't doing none of that. But yeah, that's wild. But I wonder how many people like that actually went after them are then gonna turn around and be like, oh, this shit is whack, they trash. You know what I'm saying? No, you ain't get them. But yeah, man. Got them joints though. But so now, man, about to hit the graffiti spot right quick. Oh shit! And when I get to the graffiti spot, I'm gonna do a I got some tees in from Effectus Clothing. Use my discount code WAVY, save 25%. Then after that, we gonna hit the juice bar. What? The juice bar. Alright. But anyway, man, y'all already know, yo, follow me out.
Wake up in the morning, you on the money in my mind. Bitch keep talking shit, but I don't pay it no mind. Like, why you coming so late? Bitch, I'm grinding. Don't you got the range outside? Stop whining. Come a blood clot, heard he got loud and tell him put 100 of them to the side then. Got blood on my new Balenciagas. Play thug, bust your head like a pinata. Get love sliding through an Impala, burning rubber on a sucker, chucking through society. Now a nigga start a small time project lobby, running through the work and I was serving everybody. They say I got them oils like the Prince of Abu Dhabi, but this is not Dubai. You fucking die, you ever try me? I'm a made man, welcome to gangland. Hood full of savages, they act like caveman. You was chasing pussy, nigga, I was chasing bags. While you was laid up, nigga, I was on the ass.
Alright, so I'm at the graffiti spot. I hope that this summer that they put some new art on the wall, cause these joints, I'm kind of over it now, you know. I remember, I think about 4 or 5 years ago, that's when, yo, they had some dope joints. But yeah, I need for them to move that big ass trash can, and just so I can be able to get different shots out here. But no, man, yeah, I already know, man, I love this spot. That's why I always go to this damn Stop and Shop, because got the graffiti. If anybody knows any other like good spot, I mean, I know some, but I don't know any, like, you know, a block of graffiti. Anybody know any, like, you know, in the Bronx? I go check it out. But anyway, get in this. Let me get a quick flick and hit the Stop and Shop out.
Flash water on them, you'll be fine. Hey yo, just do the test, I don't need no introduction.
Yeah, so yo, the tees in from Effectus Clothing. You already know, use my discount code WAVY, save 25%. Shout out to Queens, shout out to Effectus for blessing me with these joints. Like I said, yeah, I think these are for the Jordan 3s, red joints, but no, I didn't cop. First up, Burning Desires. First tee right here, boom. Next one. This one people gonna stop and stare. Just trying to fire it up. Word.
Now that's the devil's work.
The last joint, Undisputed Champion. I think this is my favorite one out of all of them. Throw on some Nova, bang it. Word. Nah, bro, it's more cold. Woo! Cats be like, yo, you trying to go?
I ain't going nowhere with you.
Not in this weather, you know what I'm saying?
Are you scared?
Only place I'm trying to go is on a plane somewhere down south.
Way down south.
You know what I'm saying? Word. But anyway, yo, let me grab this water and shit, and then we off to the juice bar. Word.
Smoke break at the table, bagging up snowflakes. 9 mil on my waist, but I don't feel so safe.
Look who I run into out here. Mr. Orchard, the real Mr. Orchard. I'm number 2. He number 1. He did it first.
Trust the process, success, it takes time. Yes. Tuck the 4/5 and sweats the waistline. Jeans underneath to keep the heat fine. Think before you speak through bleeps and FaceTime. For your peak, we send a street to FaceTime. See your cheek, begin to eat, your face mine. Stepping on all this whites, I hate crime. Shoot their clubs up, chicks want me to play shine. All jokes aside, got all smoke for guys. Knowing they hold hand, but keep my poker eyes. Caught with at least 5, now 10 close to 9. Lost so much weight, was our roker size. Fiends needing to fix, they wild broken side.
Hey, lady, go against this car if you want to. I'll take you with me. Anyway, oh shit.
You sound like a bitch. Man, I don't give a damn about going to jail.
Anyway, yeah. Appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me, man. It's been a hell of a couple weeks. Oh, do I got a good parking spot? Do I? Yeah. Do I? Oh, got me a good parking spot. I was about to crash in the meanwhile, but anyway, thank God. But anyway, yo, appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me, man. Word up. Shout out to the Wave Mob, man. It's been a hell of a few weeks. Damn, hey, bitch, are y'all getting
close? You got a face to face. Where I'm from, drive-bys overrated.
Parking struggles, yo, be crazy out here. Word. And don't forget about the noise level. Yeah, so anyway, man, do me a favor, let me get 400 likes on this joint, man. Hope y'all enjoyed this little vid. Yeah, can't wait for these joints to come in so I can go ahead and chill off with the review, you know. Or appreciate everybody that's been rocking with me again. You already know, follow me on that Snap, follow me on that IG, follow me on that Twitter. That Twitter be. Ooh, but that snaps. It's your boy Wavy. You already know this, my channel, Mr. Orchard Beach. Like I always like to say, see you when I see you.